guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guess what we're going to be doing? Can you guess it? Can you? Here's a hint. Did you guess it? You probably read the title. You already know. We're going to be doing a Valentine's Day theme inspired makeup look. So I don't really have like a set clear vision in my head, in mind, but I mean color scheme, red, pinks, whites, it's all there. So we're going to do something of that color scheme. I don't know, maybe draw on some arrows, some hearts. I don't really know yet, but I am gonna do my base first, like my face makeup and all that first, just because I'm breaking out. I don't like how my skin's looking, and that's okay, but we're just gonna cover it up real quick, and then we'll be back for the fun makeup, okay? Okay guys, the face, she's all done. Now let's get started on this Valentine's look. We're gonna figure it out together. I don't have scissors in my room to cut this thing in half, so I'm just gonna tear it apart like an animal. Look how perfect that tear was though. Okay, not perfect, but hey, like close enough, you know what I mean? Okay, so definitely, oh my gosh, this palette is so dirty. Hold on, I'm embarrassed by how dirty this is. Okay, let's clean our. We're gonna use Miss Riviera today. I'm gonna use Bahamas, Monte Carlo, and Palermo, however you pronounce that. So you can tell that I usually use like these two colors, but hey, we're doing this trio today. So let's go. Okay, so I just did a white eyeliner. Oh my gosh, ignore my eyelashes. There's tons of the white eyeliner just stuck to them. It's okay, I'll fix it in a minute. But now a little bit more tricky part. I'm gonna do arrows like on this arch right here. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do on this side yet, but I just know I'm gonna do arrows like leading to this eye. So let's get started. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I've never done this before and I feel like I'm gonna mess up. Oh well. Well, the bottom one is a little bit rough, but it's okay. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. The bottom one, little things on the bottom just did not, just did not come out. Oh my gosh, should I do little dots and then do the next one? Yeah, I'm gonna do little dots like it's flying. Oh, should I leave that one open? What the heck? I should. That does look cute. Okay. Okay, like I'm not mad at it anymore. Before I was like, ugh, what the heck did I get myself into? I knew I should have had a plan for what I was gonna do, but I am not mad at it now. Oh my god, I'm like ripping out my eyelashes trying to get off. That's the only bad thing about this eyeliner, truly. Like the only bad thing about this eyeliner is that it gets so stuck on your eyelashes and I end up like accidentally ripping some out. Ow. Wow, okay, thanks for bearing with me. I decided what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do little dots going down, 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 down here. And then I'm gonna pick the dots up here and then I'm just gonna continue the arrows ending on this side because whatever, I couldn't think of anything. Okay, one, I couldn't think of anything else. Why was I gonna do my pinky finger? Okay, one, I couldn't think of anything else. Two, I just mentally I was like, there has to be a similar design theme on this side. So here we are, people, let's do it. In this video, it's gonna like go by like super fast, but in reality, I've been filming this for like an embarrassingly long amount of time. Just been sitting here thinking, reflecting on my thoughts. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna start the arrow here, but these need a minute to dry. 1 minute. Okay, since the arrow's going like this, that means the back of the arrow has to be like right about here. Oof. I was already having like a hard time drawing it in reverse on the other eye. Now I gotta do it on this eye? Gosh darn it. Honestly, I'm not like a professional guru, so you could literally, you could do this at home. I think you could. I believe in you all. Okay, she's coming along. 2 more arrows left. The stress is real. Oh wait, that's a big triangle. Oh my goodness, that is a really big triangle. Oh frick. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it off somehow. Okay. Stay tuned, I'll be back. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. It's actually kind of cute. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, okay? I don't hate it. It's actually, it's cute. No, 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 it like is. Don't let my saltiness fool you. I think it's really cute. I was gonna do gold eyeliner, but I feel like that'll be just too much. So I'm gonna do my mascara. Am I shouting? I feel like I'm shouting. So I'm gonna do my mascara and then put on some finishing touches. And then that'll be that. Okay, people, my mascara is, she is done. Now I'm just debating, should I do like little white dots on my eyebrow? I don't know. I truly don't know. You know what I just realized this looks like? You know like that Instagram filter where you blink and then the hearts go? You know what I'm talking about? Like the bow and arrows? Maybe? Okay. But to finish it up, we're gonna take the same color Bahamas. Oh, if you've never used a NARS red lipstick, it's life-changing. This is in the shade Cruella. It's literally the most beautiful lipstick ever. What do you guys think? If you guys think I did terrible, let me know down below. Just kidding, don't. I don't really do well to hate comments. But if you guys think I did great, you can comment that down below. Honestly, I'm just proud of myself. I truly am proud of myself. I had no plan going in. I had never done anything like this before, and it didn't come out half bad. I don't think it came out half bad. Okay guys, I think I'm done. You know, this honestly took me, I'm embarrassed how long this took me. This took me a while to film, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!